First attempt at gold mining in my living room. Bought him some pay dirt for Christmas. Hopefully he's going to find gold.
Whoa!
That's nice on the
Went
floor.
some on the floor.
You got the bird watching.
Alright,
Oh my.
What's up, baby?
Nothing. I guess you go around and then you go side.
I know. I gotta figure out how to get that working better.
Yeah, here's what we're doing just before Christmas. Mining for gold. Gold flakes.
Gold.
Got a bird, parrot watching. 2 dogs in the back, 3 dogs in the background. With diapers on, 2 of them have diapers. The boys. So this is gold mining 101 in someone's house.
My back is going to be killing me.
Okay, folks, have a Merry Christmas.